Today I want to talk to you about going through the Bona system of abrasives and progressing through that using the color system. Starting off, we always want to start off with our green abrasives. These are our most aggressive. They're going to be the ones that are going to cut through that thick finish and ceramic floors very aggressively. That's going to help allow you to get the finish off the floor and then start actually sanding the wood. Once you move from the green, where we're going to say that we're going to start from anywhere from a 36 if it's a really old floor, you need to cut through a lot of old finish, or if it's a fresh sanded floor, you might start at something with like a 50 or a 60 depending on your over and under wood. Then we're going to move into something where your range of blue is going to be anywhere from 60 up to 80, possibly even 100. So moving from a very aggressive paper to a less aggressive paper is going to reduce your scratches. It's going to allow you to create that even better floor. And then finally finishing with our black abrasives, which you'd want to use anywhere from 100 to 120 to really get a fine sand for your last time that you're touching the floor with your edger, with your belt machine, with your power drive. So kind of working our way through, it's always going to be green, blue, and then black, ending on black. I know that there's a lot of people out there that love using green all the way through. Absolutely. No one's going to say that that's not a good system. Absolutely feel free to continue to use green all the way through. If you use blue all the way through, black all the way through, whatever works for your system, we absolutely want you to keep doing. If you're having issues where you are leaving scratches or you are, wanting to, avoid certain issues, absolutely stepping through the progression of green, blue, and black is going to help eliminate some of those things.